Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to change your homepage slider like the one you see on the screen. First, you have to access the back end of your website by logging in, so let's do that. You can log in by typing in wp-admin to take you to the login page. Once you're in, it'll take you to this dashboard. Scroll all the way down and click on Slider Revolution. And now that your screen has loaded, click on this, which is where the first picture was edited for your homepage slider. It'll take you to your own little editing place where you can change text, images, effects, but for today we'll focus only on images. Now there are two ways to access the image panel. You either click here or here. Then you go to the media library. You have two options. You either upload your own file or you can choose from the media library that is provided by the website. For the example's sake, I will be choosing from the media's library and I'll go with this picture right here. Now on the right you have these empty boxes. You can fill them in if you'd like. I will be filling in the alt text box to improve the page's SEO, and I'll type in interior design, for example. Once you're done, click Insert. If you wish to change the positioning of the image, you can scroll down and use this positioning grid to change the placement of the image. If you have a specific angle in mind, then you can click this and customize the positioning. You can look at the preview and navigate through these buttons right here to see how it looks like across different devices. If you're happy with it, then you can click Save. Let's go back to the website and refresh. And there you have it. That's how you change your homepage slider. On the next video, I'll be showing you how to optimize text and images across devices to avoid blending in of the words, just like the example shown in the video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Goodbye!